You driving, Ronan? You driving, bud? Yeah? Are you driving fast? Cool. You driving fast like Daddy does?
Daddy?
He drives fast. Yep, Oma's in the garage. Yep, Oma's in the garage. Yep. Yep, Boppy's over there with Oma. Yep. Well, you show him how to do it. I'm getting video of this.
Yeah, he's braver. Here now at the end of the...
Are you driving? Yeah.
He's like, Oma, come get my yellow car.
Come on, Sarah, you want to ride it back to the shed again?
Sarah! Sarah!
Baby. No. Hey. Yeah, you just drive, okay? Good job. Yeah, you're driving.
Petey ran in there.
Okay.
Hi, Sarah. You want to ride to the back?
Come on, you want to ride?
He's going to take it around back to the shed.
Take it back. Where's your shoes, man? Where's your shoes?
Just get him. He'll wait on you, honey.
I'll wait. Where's your shoes? What else was you going to have with that?
Well, she
The
got some little
steamer
vegetables.
thing.
Okay.
Oh, we thought we'd add a can of corn to it to
So there's plenty
help
of
it grow a little.
And there's two packages of these.
Of
so
the
there's
meat.
12 little meats. So that's
Hey, Ronan, you want to ride in the trailer?
more for some.
Do you want to ride in the back? You want to ride?
Okay, get in there.
Do you think you could put him in the back, Ma?
No, I gotta leave that in
Can
there.
I take a ride again?
I'll take it off so you can get in.
Yeah? Did you want to ride back here again?
Get in.
You ready to
Sit
take
down.
a ride? No, well, he's not ready to move yet.
Come on, you gotta get back here with Sarah. Come on. You wanna go back here with Sarah? Come on. You wanna be in there with Sarah? Here, come on.
Oh, he wants you to do the back for him, too.
Okay, here. Get in. Okay,
I'm getting all of this on
go.
video. It's going to be a long video.
So far so good. Look at us, we're friends.
No one's going to...
look, they're friends.
Oh, you guys are so sweet. Hey, on your butt. Thank you. Oh my God, that's so cute. Hang on. Here we go, Harvey. Okay. Let him hold on, okay? That's the end of the ride. Yay!